Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super frustrating issue with Waze, that annoying problem where your GPS shows an approximate location instead of your exact spot. This is episode 565, and we're keeping it fresh for 2025, so let's get you back on track with pinpoint accuracy. Whether you're navigating through busy city streets or hitting the highway, accurate GPS is a game changer, and I'll walk you through the fixes step by step. First off, why does this happen? It could be due to app glitches, location settings, or even your device's software. Don't worry, most fixes are quick and easy. Start by opening your phone's settings and checking your location permissions. Make sure Waze has access to your precise location. That's usually under Privacy or Location Services. If it's set to Approximate or Device Only, switch it to High Accuracy mode. This alone fixes the issue for many users. Next, restart the Waze app. Sounds simple, but closing and reopening it can clear temporary bugs. If that doesn't work, try force closing the app from your recent apps menu and then relaunch it. Now, let's check for updates. Head to your App Store, search for Waze, and ensure you're running the latest version from 2025. Developers release patches all the time to fix GPS woes, so staying updated is key. If you're still seeing that approximate location, dive into your device's general settings. Go to Location or GPS settings and use GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile network for better triangulation. Also, restart your phone entirely. Sometimes, a full reboot refreshes your hardware connections. For Android users, try clearing the cache for Waze in your app settings. iOS users can offload the app and reinstall it. One more tip. If you're in an area with poor signal, switch to a stronger network or ensure your data is enabled. And hey, if none of this works, reach out to Waze support or check their forums for region-specific advice. There you have it. Straightforward steps to fix your Waze GPS issue and get back to seamless navigation. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.